Do you find yourself asking any of these questions? Is our weighing equipment qualified according to GMP standards? Are our scales suitable for their applications? How can we achieve consistently excellent product quality? How can we improve our testing plans and procedures or smoother audits? Our case study collection, Accurate Weighing Results with GWP, addresses these questions and provides real-life success stories of how GWP can establish weighing rationale to ensure accurate results, achieve consistently high quality, and gain smooth audits. For full details and to learn more about our Good Weighing Practices program, download your copy of the case study collection today.